Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to check if your favorite audiobook is available on Hoopla. Fast, easy and straight from your phone or computer. So let's get started. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. First, you have to open your Hoopla app or open your browser and go into Hoopla. Click on the first link. Wait for it to load. Then you have to log in or sign up if you haven't already, or simply you can scroll down and find the topic called popular audiobooks. Here you can tap on see more and find all the popular audiobooks over here. You can listen to any one of these audiobooks, or if you have signed up or logged in, you can simply search for it in the Hoopla app. Here is the search bar. You can search over here which audiobook you want. If it doesn't show up, it might be in your library's Hoopla collection. Try alternate spellings or similar titles. And that's it. If the audiobook shows up in your search, you can borrow it instantly, no waiting. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe and share for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments which audiobook you are checking out next. See you in the next one.